How to draw on photo in Picsart. Let's add some personality to your images. Here's how to draw directly on the photo in Picsart. Start by opening your image in the editor, then select Draw from the left side menu. You'll get a full drawing workspace with brush, color picker, opacity, and layer options. Choose your brush type and color, then start sketching or doodling on the photo. You can undo, erase, or add multiple layers for complex edits. Once your drawing is done, click Apply to return to the main editor and save your design. What would you draw on your photo? Hearts, signatures, or funny faces? Let me know in the comments below. Use the soft brush with low opacity to highlight or shade areas subtly without making it look too drawn on. And that's how you can draw on photo in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.